welcome. Today we're going to be looking at oral English past questions. Please click on the subscribe button at this corner of the video so that you can be first to get our videos whenever they drop. We're starting immediately with vowels and consonants. For this question, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. The word is palm, and the underline is under the R. So we have A, lunch, B, blunt, C, ranch, D, florid. So which one has R sound? You can see that it is ranch, C. So the answer is C, ranch. Number 2, for this question, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. The word is cool, and the underline is on O. So we have look, we have should, we have look, we have fool. So you can see that cool has the same as look. So the answer is A, look. For this question, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. The word is order, order, order. And we have option A, flow, B, loquacious, C, floor, D, bold. You can see that order, loquacious, order, loquacious. The answer is B, loquacious. Now we go to consonant sounds. For this question, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. The word is vision, vision. Option and the underline is on G, vision, G. Option A is instruction. Option B is enclosure. Option C is nation. Option D is mansion. So you see the one that has vision is enclosure, enclosure. The other ones are instruction, nation, mansion, but we have enclosure, vision. So the answer is B, enclosure. For this question, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. The word is epitaph, epitaph, and the underline is on F, epitaph. F. A is pseudo, B is pneumonia, C is fan, D is pepper. So the word that has the F sound is fan, as in epitaph. The PH is F, and the F in fan is also F. So the answer is C, fan. For this question, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. The word is nash. The G is silent in the nash, so it's actually like N-A-S-H. So the options are ground for A, B, new, C, forge, D, ring. You can see that the one with similar consonants is new because the N in new is the same as that of GN as in nash, new, nash. So the answer is B, B, new. For this question, choose the option that rhymes with the given word, rhyme. So when we have teeth, the word is teeth. Which of them rhymes as teeth? Here we have dead. Here we have threat. Here we have beneath. Here we have breath. So teeth and beneath sounds the same. So the answer is beneath, C. So I'm quickly gonna go through all this and get to another vowel sound. Okay, oral English. So we have, for these questions, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. The word is burr, and we have A, slot, B, C, call, D, car. So you can see that burr and call are the same thing. C is the answer. C, call. For this question, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. Head, said. So head is the word, and the word is E-A. So A is said, B is heard, C is heard, D is shared. So we can see that A is the answer. Head, said. A, said, head. For this question, choose the option that rhymes with the given word. The word is suit. So A is breath, B is tree, C is sweet, D is bleat. Suit, sweet, sweet, sweet. So the answer is C, sweet, as both of them are pronounced similar. For this question, choose the option that rhymes with the word cart. Cart. A is part, B is lash, C is park, D is cart. So the answer is part. Cart, part. For this question, choose the option that rhymes with given word. Sight. The word is sight. A is sight, B is short, C is plate, D is skate. So the answer is A, sight and sight. The other one, sight for sight, your eyesight, whereas the other one for a place, like a building site. For the questions, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters. Sky, and the letter is I, sky as in I. So now A is seat, B is break, C is sight, D is coil. You can see the Y, I as in sky is similar to sight, I. So the answer is C. For these questions, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters. Loath. The consonant is th, as in loath. So A is thou, B is tank, C is that, D is breath, loath. So the answer is that. The TH in that is the same as the TH in loath. So that's where we're going to stop for today. So in subsequent classes we'll look at emphatic stress. So we've covered oral English, covered everything in oral English, including vowels, consonants, and rhyme. So those are the three areas you'll be expecting exams from in JAMB, waec, neco, and other university exams. So please click on the subscribe button at this side of the screen so that you'll be the first to get our videos whenever they drop. Thank you. Like and share this video if you really like it, so that when you share it, other people will use it to learn. Thank you very much. God bless you.